everyone, so in this tutorial we'll be making little tags for like ear warmers or hats. Now a lot of people use like leather tags that they purchase and they put like a rivet through. When you want to wash the ear warmer, you need to take it off before you put it in the washing machine. So I came up with this idea, and you can just put it in the washing machine, that's fine, it doesn't fade. And it like washable paper. So this is like special paper that you can, well, obviously you can wash it, make it wet, you can I think you can even emboss this paper, you can stitch it on the sewing machine. It's very useful medium. Once you make it wet, you can scrunch it up to get a little bit of texture, which I quite like. So it looks a little bit more leathery, it has a bit more character. And then I sew them onto my ear warmers. It's nice to give you a bit like, have your brand on the ear warmer. I quite like that. And lots of nice compliments about it as well at the markets. Yeah, they're very cost effective. Rather than buying the leather tags, they're often like a, I don't know, 50p pound for each item, which I buy a roll of washable paper for £5 to £8 for at least a metre by 30 centimetres, so you can make loads of tags out of that. And the inkjet, the transfer paper is probably about £8 as well, but again you get quite a few sheets, so you can print out loads of these ones. So alright, let's have a look. You can make your own. Oh, also, if you could let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like this idea, and if you've made them, what do you think of them? Yeah, that would be really helpful for me. And also, if you like this video, can you please like this video and maybe subscribe to my channel. I'm only just starting, but I'll be giving tutorials and studio vlogs, and yeah, lots of craftiness things, and I'll take you to markets and yeah, do all that kind of thing. So yeah, okay, thank you, bye.
So what you will need is washable paper, some inkjet transfer paper, iron or heat press, and an optional puncher. So I have here my washable paper, which I iron with my heat press just to smooth it out and to make it a bit warmer. Then I have printed my labels on the transfer paper, which I'm cutting to size to my washable paper so it will fit. Make sure it's mirrored when you have it printed. I'm just looking for the size and flip it over so it's facing the paper. Put the heat press on 190 degrees for 40 seconds. Let it cool before you remove the back. Carefully remove the peel at the back. Now you see a thin layer on top of the paper, which makes it waterproof. Now what I do, I'll make it all wet and I scrunch it up and let it dry. That way you get a nice texture like leather, like so. You'll see the difference in a minute. There you go, it has a really nice texture to it. Then I'll cut the labels to size. And then you fold it over so at both sides you can see the logo. Now you can cut, you can either sew it in your ear warmer or like I do, but here in this video I've made 2 little holes with the puncher, or you can do 1 hole to put a rivet through, or 2 holes to sew it through with some yarn. And there you go, a nice simple non-leather tag for your knitted products. Thank you all for watching. Bye!